All right, so we know that we mark a closed syllable with a C underneath our closed syllable. Okay, now the way we mark a closed syllable exception is with this X. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we do this real quick. So if I have the word find, I'm going to grab my first letter as I tap it out with the F, and then my three-letter exception, IND. I'm going to pull it down in the green there. Okay, and now as I mark it, I know that my IND is closed, but it is the exception. So I'm going to take my C, I'm going to mark it underneath my IND, and since it's an exception, I'm going to go ahead and put my X over the C. Okay, so this is our closed syllable exception with the IND find. And remember, if you need to go back and look at our exceptions, you can do that. Right here I see the IND, I know it's an exception, so I know I've got to put the X over my closed syllable sign.